Hello,
Hello.
welcome to your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Icy. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Vietnam. My hobby is my favorite subjects at school is math and English.
All right, let's go now to Unit 7 IC. Can you tell me the time?
It's 1 o'clock. It's 1:15. It's 1:30. It's 1:45.
What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12:15.
Okay, not 1 o'clock?
1 o'clock.
Okay, no, it isn't, right? What's this IC?
Is breakfast,
What is number 2?
lunch,
What is number 3?
snack,
What is number 4?
is dinner.
Good. Okay, what do you eat for breakfast? Do you
I
eat bread?
uh, I eat breakfast is meal and bread and cookie.
Wow. So what time do you have breakfast?
Uh, I like breakfast.
What time do you have breakfast?
I eat breakfast at the 7 o'clock.
How about for dinner? What time do you have or what time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 8:15.
That's amazing. All right, look at this boy. When does he wake up?
He woke up at 7 o'clock.
Do you wake up at 7 o'clock?
No, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
All right, good. Now look at this girl. When does she go to bed?
She go to bed at 8:45.
Do you go to bed at 8:45 too?
No, I'm go to bed at 9:45.
Okay, let's move now to the last one. When does he come home?
He come home at 6 o'clock.
How about you? What time do you come home from school?
I come home at 4:12.
Okay, thank you so much. Now let's go to Unit 8 about the school subject. What subject is this?
It's science, it's art, it's music, it's PE, it's math, it's social study.
Do you like PE?
Yes, I do.
What do you play in your PE class?
I play basketball and play soccer.
Okay. Do you like art class?
Yes, I I I do.
What do you do in art class?
I draw it is uh,
Birds?
friends
Oh, you
and
drew your friends.
she and
Mm.
grandmother, grandfather and rabbit.
Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you so much. Now let's complete some sentences. Number
Okay.
one, what's his favorite subject?
His favorite subject is music.
How about her favorite subject?
Her favorite subject is PE.
What about you? What's your favorite subject, I see?
My favorite subject is art and math.
Okay. Now let us talk about what classes do they go to. Can you tell me about Julie?
Julie go to dance class on Tuesdays.
How about Jay?
Jay go to mm, English class on Thursday.
How about Emma?
Um, Emma go to swimming class on Friday.
Great. Okay, before we end, please tell me more about yourself.
Hello, my name is Isaac. I'm from Vietnam. My favorite subject is art and math. I go to karate class on Tuesday.
Very good. That's the end of your speaking test, and goodbye.
Goodbye.